Hello everybody! Today we're making a Mexican dish, so we're gonna make it spicy. You can see actually a lot of Spanish influence in this dish. We have olives, we have sea bass fillets. You know what? Let's start with the recipe.
1 chopped onion, 1 chopped bell pepper, but I'm using 2 colors to make the dish more colorful. 2 tomatoes in squares. 150 grams of black olives. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. 3 cloves of garlic. 2 sea bass fillets. We'll also use half of this chili to make the dish a little spicy. Olive oil. Half a cup of chopped parsley. Half a cup of green peas. And now let's start with the preparation. Okay, we start putting some olive oil and wait until it gets warm. Then we add the bell peppers and the green peas. We move a little bit and let it cook for 8 minutes. Let's move it from time to time so it doesn't burn. We add the garlic, and as you can see, I slice the cloves. Then we add the onion. And now let's mix the flavors. We add a little bit of salt. And we're going to let it cook for like 5 minutes. Look at this. The smell is incredible and very colorful, isn't it? Let's add the tomato, the olives. We are adding also the chili here and the tomato paste. And mix everything. And now it's time for the fish. I cut them in 2 so that they can fit in the pot. Also they have salt and pepper. Then we will add a little bit of fish stock. I made it with the bones and the head of the sea bass I'm using. We cover it and wait for like 10 minutes. We put some parsley, and guess what? Dinner's ready. Don't forget to subscribe, we're posting every week. Give us a like, and if you have any recipe in mind, leave them in the comments below.